Hey guys, this is day 29 of my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how can you use Descript AI. So basically, you can edit any video just like editing a text document. So let me show you how. So first, go to any browser and search Descript AI. And once you find this website, so finish sign up. So once you finish sign up, you can see this interface. And now you can either record or start new project. So let's see. Now we can import file, and I can choose one of the video I recorded yesterday. You can see it suggested me to use this feature: remove background noise and enhance voice, subtitle, extend your reach in a single click, fade your project in out from black for elegant look. And maybe I can select this too, and I can click apply to my project. Hey guys, this is day 28 of my 365 Airtel challenge, and now, for example, I just want to remove this first line. So let's delete this first line, and you can play again. So basically, caption is mainly built for creator making reels, and you can see it's gone already. So videos. Let's try to remove another word. So for example, I want to remove TikTok from this sentence, and try again. Play. So Peter making reels, starts talking videos. So it has so many features. The first one is auto caption, and you can see you just upload a video and it generates subtitles automatically, and it's not boring. So you can style caption like viral creator videos. You can actually do a lot with the caption. Now play again, and then this time you won't hear the word TikTok. Caption is mainly built for creator making reels, starts, talking videos. Normally, if I wanted to remove a mistake, I would have to zoom into the timeline, cut clip, drag thing around, waste my time. But here, just you just have to go through the sentence. You just remove the word or sentence. Okay, now let me show you something wild. This feature is called overdrive. So let's say I forgot to say something in my video. Normally I have to set up the mic again, record again, match audio. This will be so much time consuming. But with this feature, AI can generate your voice. So you literally type the missing sentence only, and it say it in your voice. So that's all for today. I'll make a proper video to cover everything in detail. So I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.